Hi everyone. In this video I am going to discuss the basic steps in the MOS fabrication process. So first and foremost step is the silicon crystal growth, which is also called as Czochralski method, which is mainly used for the formation of the silicon ingot. So from the ingot we get the wafers, from the wafer we get the dies, on which we will do further steps of the fabrication. So next is the oxidation. Oxidation is nothing but oxide growth. So oxidation is done for different purposes. Sometimes we want to protect the wafer from various types of contaminations. Then for growing the dielectric we use the oxidation, silicon dioxide. Sometimes we use for a thin layer of silicon dioxide beneath the gate terminal in the MOSFETs. So for that also oxidation is used. So whenever we use the thick layer of oxide layer, we call that as a field oxide for protecting the wafer from the contamination. Thin layer is used for specifically growing the thin oxide layer using the dry oxidation technique. So diffusion. Diffusion is a process of movement of impurity from higher concentration to lower concentration, and it is mainly used for doping the impurities. We use this diffusion process for forming the source and drain terminals. Ion implantation. This ion implantation is also used in the fabrication process. In that the ions of a dopant are accelerated by electric field and physically lodged within the semiconductor. Deep into the semiconductor we can do the doping of the impurities. So ion implantation is a very sophisticated process we use whenever it is required. And etching is removal of the unwanted material. Suppose we want to remove some oxide layer or whatever we don't want, that is called as etching. Photolithography. This is one of the very important step which is used for transferring the patterns and by using the light. So photo means light, litho means stone, graphy is writing. So it is mainly used for transfer of the patterns. So a selection of specific parts of the silicon wafer for fabrication process is done using the photolithography. So it's a process in which we can transfer the patterns and we can remove whatever portion we don't want, and whatever portion we want we can make it to retain on the die. And metallization is finally done to make a contact for source, gate, drain. Suppose we are talking about the MOSFET. For having the connection to the outside world, this metallization is the important step. In that we deposit aluminum, some metal, for connecting the outside world. And packaging, finally the packaging is done for overall protection. And these are all the basic steps in the fabrication process. So thank you one and all.